Hello viewers and welcome to another episode of Excel Learning. In today's video, we are going to quickly learn about how to fill blank cells in a column. Now without much ado, let me straight jump to the example. Before that, in case you like the video, do consider subscribing and share with somebody who may need it. Let us move to the data. Let us say you have received this data from a pivot table, but you do not have access to the pivot table right now. So if you look at this data, since I'm already clicking inside the data, but no pivot fields are active, which means that this is the pay special data which I have received from another source, but it would have been created from a pivot table as is visible because there are columns wherein there are blank cells. Now, in order to do some analysis on this, you might require to fill in all the individual cells so that then you can pivot this data and do different kind of analytics if you want. This is a common problem that I have seen many people face in the day-to-day lives, and commonly the approach that people use is they select the cells and then press Ctrl D for first cell and then copy paste for the rest of the cells. So this approach takes a lot of time. Today I'm going to show you an approach which will just take matter of seconds and your entire data will be filled. So let us jump to the solution. For that, step number 1 would be select the rows or the columns wherein you need to fill the data with. So here I have selected column B and column C to the extent where I need to fill the data. Next is the magic step. You need to press Ctrl plus G. You can either press Ctrl plus G or you can also use the F5 key. Either ways works. If your F5 is configured with Fn key, then you need to press Fn plus F5. Now I have pressed Ctrl plus G. Inside Ctrl plus G, you will see a special button. Press on that special button and click on blanks. This will select all the blank cells inside the selection that we have made. Once we do that, it selects all the blank cells. Now what you need to do, the default cell is in cell number C4, which means the mouse is, or rather the pointer is at cell number C4. And what is our objective? Our objective is to fill this cell with the immediately above cell. Similarly, we want to fill this cell with Gill. Similarly, this cell with Jardine, so on and so forth. So what we are going to do, we are just going to type a formula equal to select the upper cell. That's it. And the next step would be pressing Ctrl plus Enter. Ctrl plus Enter, and boom, the job is done. All the cells are filled with the immediately above cell. Hope you like the video. Do comment in the comment section, and thank you so much for watching.